What's up, guys? Today I'll be playing. I'll be playing. Don't press the button. Yay! You may not know this game. You may not. As you can see. Yeah. Let's just collect some coins. Oh, we have quite a bit. So let's buy this. And let's buy this. And maybe that's all for now. And let's just drink it. And I don't really know what's happening right now. I think we just have to press the button. Anyways, let's collect that. And, what are we supposed to do? What was that for? You just stole my diamond. Yes. Oh, yes. We're just collecting coins. What? Oh, a diamond. As you can see, I have quite a bit. It's because I played this game, but like it's a long time ago, so yeah. Oh my god. What are we supposed to do? Wow. I'm just stealing everything. Let's see if I get it. Boom! I got it. I'm just gonna join a different server. It's because it's broken. And my Roblox page might be different. All of these because I've downloaded an extension. Like, yeah, an extension, you know. So, let's load into the game. Yes. Oh, this one finally has something at least. Let's press play. Obviously. Oh, what happens if we get in it? Oh my god, guys, we're so fat. Look how fat we are. Hey, we're jumping so high. Oh my god, it's space. Space time. Time to eat my ice cream at space. Woohoo! Oh. And let's drink our soda. Like we always do. Oh my god, it's a bomb. Oh! I just died. What was that for? Hey. Oh my god. Hey. Oh my god, watch out. Oh my god. What was that? Oh my god, tsunami gun. Where do we go? We have to go on top of climb this ladder. Yes. We're a parkour pro. Let's do it. Collect some of these. That's like, okay. Can't believe it. Quick, get on the platform. No! Anyway, let's bust the more stuff. Oh, Speedquel. Money bag. So, money bag. So, got this. Oh, no. I'm just gonna buy. Oh, no. Ah! Alright, hopefully this one is. Go! Oh. Okay, let's try this one. Epic. Epic. Stars. Okay, let's try. Okay, last one. What's this? That's pretty funny. Ooh, wooden sword. Cool. And I'll spend all my coins on. I have this, guys. Oh my god. That just blew all of my gear. Okay, good. I have this. I have ice cream. I have a speed coil. I have money bag. I have this. I have this thing. Wait, can I actually kill? No, I can't. I have this. I have this. I don't know what that is. And I have an egg. And lastly, I have a cheeseburger. Let's equip this one. Ooh! Oh, yes, let's slide down. I'm gonna spill some. Oh! What was that? What was that? Get ready to push off each other. Well, I have to. Wow! 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 Ah! Ah! Wow! Oh yes! Hey guys! Shoot him! Shoot him! Oh my god, where's my item? What's that? Oh, okay. Ah! Oh, what was that? I guess we could press the button now. Hey! What's happening? Oh my god, oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh no. Check it out. Okay. And then there's this button. Let's just press the button. Where is it? Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, did that? No. Why did that disappear? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Guys, don't push it off. We all have to explode. We all have to. No! Rip. Well, I guess we have to. Oh, hello. Oh, bye-bye, man. That was interesting. Just popped up for. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Bye-bye, guys. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I'm just gonna walk all the way up here. Because I need privacy. Privacy for my own racetrack. Oh! I just fell off. Hey, I want to play soccer. Let me play soccer. Let me play soccer. Hey, let me. Oh, your guys are not gonna score today. I'm gonna harass them. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Anyways, I'm sorry about that. I was just checking the recording time. Oh, yes, you guys are not coming out over here. You guys are never bushing it. Wow. Yes. None of us scored. Oh my god, why are you so fast? Don't move, guys. Okay. Why are you so fast? What? Oh my god. Ah! Are you so fast? Well, I'm also so fast. Like, I have money. Money. I got too much money. Who wants money? Hey. Bye. Huh? Oh my god, what was that? Watch out, boulders are coming. Yeah, everyone, watch out. Ah! I just died. That was embarrassing. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my. I just died. I was the only one who got exploded. What an embarrassment. What do I do? Oh no. Ah! Oh my god. Oh yeah! Hey, come back over here. Let me jump on you. Oh yeah. Ooh, I want to get eaten. Oh yes. Hey, why are you getting a shortcut? Wow. Hey, I just got pooped. Now I fell off. I fell in pieces. That's... Oh, yes, let's buy this hot chocolate. Where's my hot chocolate? I just got scammed. Well, guess I'll just get 100 diamonds for no reason. What do you mean go? I wasn't... What are you guys doing? Click the button. Oh, pfft. Oh yes, I have 100 diamonds. Begin. Ah! Stay away. Ha! Go away. Whoa. 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 You think it's worth it? Psh. Hey, come on. Why? Wah! 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 Yes! Ah! At least I got to eat my egg. I guess. Oh! Is this a sword fight? Oh, yes it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I won the sword. Yo, all of you guys are up there. You have to watch me collect diamonds. Oh, well, I didn't collect that. Whoa, this is the time where we... Ah! Yeah, I'll end it off there, guys. Bye!